Now I will make a mini basketball. I had to mix brown, orange, and red clay to get the basketball color. I added some texture to it, so it looks realistic. Now I will make the basketball black lines. First, I will just mark where the lines are going to be. 2 cross lines. And 2 more on the sides. It's ready. Now I will make a groove to put the black strings in it. I will shape the string now. Make it as thin as you can. Let's put it in the groove. It looks hard to do, but it's so easy. Making the lines smoother now. The basketball is finally ready.